In the past month, I've made approximately $360,000, and I even bought my dream car off meme coins. And the reality is that I never touched a chart in my life. I never sold, I never bought a meme coin in my life. All I did was I launched a meme coin, and when the market cap was high enough, I simply just removed the liquidity out of the coin, and I profited a shit ton of money. Now that's exactly how all the teenagers in today's day and age are making thousands of dollars every single day. We are not trading meme coins, we are simply just launching coins, creating them, and then we get away with thousands of dollars. So please make sure to watch until the end of the video, because the information that I'm about to share with y'all in today's video is gonna make a lot of gurus on YouTube extremely mad. But of course, this video is purely for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. And yeah, now the first step is to actually create and launch your own coin. So to do that, you want to come to Google and you want to type in launchtoken.Fun, and you will be redirected to this website. And here you can actually create your coin on the Rhythm Dex with no coding required. And if y'all don't know, Rhythm is 100 times better than Pump.Fun, because if y'all don't know, Pump.Fun is too saturated and too many coins are being created by the second. So the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on the Rhythm Dex, because you will get a much higher market cap. Now for example, if I go on trending and I go on the Rhythm Dex, as you can see, there are no filters, okay? It's all raw. Just look at the market caps: 40k, 7 million, 9 million, 6 million, right? And if I compare that to the Pump.Fun Dex, you can see the massive difference: 3,000, 8,000, 3,000, okay? So you have to be making coins on Rhythm, specifically on launchtokens.fun. Now, here, for example, if Elon Musk or Trump or someone big tweeted, you could simply come here and put the token name, token symbol, and token image to make your coin, and then print thousands. But if you're lazy like me and you want to make money quick with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and you can duplicate and replicate any coin you want, because every single coin here is pumping and trending on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you're putting all the odds in your favor to make some money, because every single coin here has a good narrative, so you are guaranteed buyers. Now I'm going to create a coin to prove that you can make some money. And okay, the farewell K9 Amigo just caught my attention. It has 300 replies and a $26,000 market cap. Now I'm going to create the coin. Oh, okay. First of all, connect your wallet. I forgot. Okay, it's connected. As you can see, it is connected to my Phantom wallet right here. And then you can simply just create the coin. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. Create coin. And then okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal, so just do proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then your coin will be created shortly. Hello. Okay, it popped up. Now copy a token address and click on create liquidity pool, because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Here it's already selected. The balance right here is already selected, and then the amount token A right here, you can just click on max, because you want to give away 1 billion coins to the public. And the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you are not losing this money, since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose. I'd like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana or more. I'll just put 0.5 Solana, because that is what I'm comfortable with, obviously. And then you can click on create pool. Okay, then do confirm, and then your pool is created. So now you can refresh it. Okay, as you can see, the coin popped up. Now you're already 8% in profit, but now you can click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. It pumped a bit, now it dipped a bit. Oh my god, let's go. Now it's pumping a bit. As you can see, now it's pumping. Oh, what? It's going even higher. Let's go. What the Fuck. Yo, it's pumping a lot. Let's go. It's mooning. Let's go. Come on, push up. Oh my god, let's go. It's fucking going up. Okay, now if I come back to launchtokens.Fun. Oh, it's at okay, we just hit a 1.1k market cap within a couple seconds. Let's fucking go. But if I come back to launchtokens.Fun and I click on the refresh, you can see the profit. I'm already $200 in profit. If I remove the liquidity, I might wait just a bit for a bit more buyers because I'm a bit greedy. Let's go. Come on. Okay, it's pushing. Okay, it's pushing up a bit. Let's go. Come on. Okay, now I think I might remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtokens.Fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on. Confirm. And boom! You just remove the liquidity, and that's how you make a quick buck for your time. Like literally, I got people in my Telegram and in my Discord server making thousands of dollars every single day doing this. You can make so much money, and just to prove that all of this shit is no joke and that it actually works, if I open my Phantom wallet, $355 is back inside my wallet. I think I profited around, I think $200 to $250 in profit, which is absolutely insane considering that it took me a couple minutes. Like, you can make so much money, bro. It's actually insane. Launchtokens.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. Do not get scammed by these other websites, okay? This is the only site that works, okay? Join my Telegram down below. Like, comment, subscribe to enter the 2 Solana giveaway, and yeah, bye.